Hi there, it's Leslie. How many of you have got an alarm going off in your life? Now, I don't mean the alarm that wakes you up in the morning, but some other kind of alarm, maybe an inbuilt alarm, maybe another sort of an alarm that tells you that, you need to get things done. An alarm is a wake-up call, that's for sure. And we always have our alarm where we can just press the snooze button. But what just happened to me inspired me to make this video. So in my house, I have a smoke alarm and I also have a carbon monoxide alarm. Now, the difference is when you burn a piece of toast or you're cooking your dinner and it's boiled dry, the smoke alarm will go off and you can switch it off and you can open some windows and you can fan stuff away, and that's that. But when your carbon monoxide alarm goes off, which is what just happened for me in my house, it makes you think, because do you press that red button just to check that it's working? Do you switch it off? Or do you think, well, where's the carbon monoxide? So my husband and I went into a little bit of a mini panic. We started opening windows and doors because just in case there's carbon monoxide in the house, normally you can't smell it, and sometimes, unfortunately, it can go off in the middle of the night, which helps to prevent you sleeping with this odorless carbon monoxide in the house, which can potentially kill you. And as a matter of fact, I have had an experience where I witnessed across the road from my house a household of people being stretchered off into an ambulance in the middle of the night because they had fallen asleep or they'd been asleep when there was a carbon monoxide leak, which is why I have a carbon monoxide alarm in my house now. Well, of course, it's always silent as can be, and you just don't think about it. But when it does go off, you think about it because you hear it. It's very piercing. It's there designed to wake you up, and it goes off with a loud beep every sort of 20 to 30 seconds. Very persistent, to the point that I've actually had to put some earplugs in. Oh, that was better, because it was so piercing. So you might get the idea that yes, the panic is over, but I wanted to share with you what that feeling is like and why it inspired me to make this video right now. It made me think, first of all, oh, I can't make my YouTube video because there's all that noise going on in the background every 30 seconds. It also made me quickly not only open windows and doors, but quickly go to Google and search what happens when my smoke alarm, when my CO alarm goes off. And, they talk about calling 911 and getting people involved, like ambulance services, fire services, and check out your equipment and so on. So I went through all of that, and then eventually I found a bit that said, if it's going off every 30 seconds, it can mean, and it probably does mean, that it just needs replacing. So there's a piece of information for you that I didn't know. If it's going off continuously, then you know that there is a serious problem with a leak of carbon monoxide. However, getting back to the point of this video, there's a little bit of public service announcement for you to learn from, but getting back to this video, I wanted to convey to you the feeling that came across me when this alarm was going off. Basically, everything in my life had to be put on hold. Everything had to stop. I had to find out what I could do to make things better or to fix things. And then thirdly, there was no point in doing anything else but stopping that alarm going off and buying a new one, ordering one online, rushing out to click and collect it, just to make sure that not only has our old one that has expired, apparently they last about 7 years, and who knows how long your alarm has been up there. I didn't. But anyway, so the point is that everything had to stop to make this thing better. And if I ignored it, it was still going beep, 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 really piercingly in my ear. Now, My question to you and to me is that have you got an alarm system going on inside of you that's telling you, beep, 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 this isn't right, beep, 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 you need to fix this, beep, 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 your life needs to be looked after, beep, 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 make things better? Do you get that signal going on persistently that makes you have to make a change, that makes you have to do something to make things better? Do you listen to your internal alarm, or do you have something going on in your head that says to you, this is not the way you can just, don't just sit back and relax and have a cup of tea and eat your lunch or go to sleep? Have you got something every day that is telling you, get up, get on, do this thing, fix it, make it right, make it better, move forward with your life? If you have something that's telling you constantly that this is what you do, then you have this drive going on inside of you that makes you improve your life, makes your day to day get better each day, not stay exactly the same. Because if everything's the same, if you're doing everything the same, everything will remain the same. You can wish and hope and dream, but unless you put some action, unless you have the emotion and the energy and you get into action, nothing will change. So, well, one thing will change. You'll get older, you might get tireder, you might get less fit, you might get fatter, who knows? Things will not change unless you do something positive about them. So that's my message to you today. Make those changes, have that internal alarm going off all the time, and if you find it difficult to motivate yourself to get there, well, find a group of people who can help you with that alarm system going off until it becomes natural with you. Now, in my team, we have people who are driven to achieve their levels of success. But sometimes they didn't know from the very beginning that that's what they could do. Sometimes, and in most cases, they've had to see other people have levels of success that they haven't achieved yet and be inspired by those people and know that being around these people every day will inspire them to continue on their journey of self-improvement. And that's what we do. We help people in this group to improve their physical body, to improve their mindset, and just to improve their entire feeling good about themselves. And then from that place, we also help people to improve their financial situation. We help people to inspire other people around them and to grow to great heights that they didn't know that they could actually do. So I invite you and encourage you to try and switch on that alarm that could be going off in your self, in your body, in your mind, that says, I've got to get this done. I've got to get this done. Don't leave it. Don't wait until it's too late. So I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye for now.